Hello, sweet lady. Welcome to B.YOU.T.LICIOUS Inside and Out's wellness coaching program and app information session. My name is Amara Prince. I am a certified health and life coach, perception reframing therapist, hairstylist, and esthetician. I have taken my love for healthy mind and body living and combined it with my beauty background to bring you an all-encompassing program that will have you feeling beauty-licious, both inside and out, physically, mentally, and emotionally. Reports reveal that what you think is more important than what you do for achieving and maintaining healthy weight loss. Did you know that weight loss is 99% mindset? If we consider the statistics, being overweight is quite common. The National Health and Nutrition Examination Survey says that 2 out of every 3 adults is either overweight or obese. That 1 in 3 adults are obese. Now, I am a firm believer in loving yourself and your body at any size and stage, that all women are gorgeous, and that beauty is more than skin deep. The concern, however, is that the World Health Organization reports that being overweight or obese dramatically raises the odds that you will encounter heart disease, cancer, neurological disorders like Parkinson's disease and Alzheimer's, type 2 diabetes, and premature death. Plus, there is the lifetime of emotional issues which include low self-esteem, depression, anxiety, and other destructive behaviors. I know firsthand the health devastation that can come from a life of poor eating habits, untreated trauma, low self-esteem, and a life of extreme levels of stress. I have gone from being the lupus, fibro, Lyme, sleep apnea, premenopausal mess that you see on the left in constant flare-ups to this on the right, a healthier, happier, and more alive version of myself whose flare-ups have become further apart and much more manageable. The problem is that while a healthy diet and exercise plan can help you lose weight, you're not addressing the core problem or taking into account the stage you are in as a woman. The most important thing you need to do before you follow any wellness plan is to have the proper mindset. Combine that with the right information for your gender, age range, proper supplementation, and have a coach who has your back. You are on your way to a new way of living. That is what I do for you in the B.YOU.T.LICIOUS program. My program helps you understand the psychological blocks that make it nearly impossible to lose weight, combined with an easy-to-follow and effective plan that you can put into action immediately so you can overcome any obstacles that are thrown your way. Welcome to the Inside and Out whole health transformation that you've been looking for. Here is everything that's included. Bonus number 1 to my program is my 20 psychological blocks to weight loss ebook, which includes the ins and outs to the obstacles of healthy living mindset and how to overcome them. Okay guys, I couldn't help myself and I added a bonus number 2 to my program, and it is an in-app 30-page B.YOU.T.LICIOUS recipe ebook that is full of fast, easy, and delicious meals, snacks, and skincare recipes that you can use in your meal plans that will get you feeling beauty-licious and glowing from the inside out in no time. On top of mindset hacks, delicious recipes, and exercise videos, I have more for you. We will goal set, work on self-care, learning how to dress for success, and balance your hormone health. We're not just going to train your body, we're going to train your brain as well with brain hemisphere synchronization. We're going to learn how to use and make affirmations that work just for you. And there's prizes. Oh yes, ladies, there's prizes. I have packed in thousands of dollars worth of information, ebooks, software, and workouts just for you. It's gonna blow your mind how affordably I am gonna make this for you, because I know all too well how expensive it can get to regain your health, and I want you to benefit from my own personal investments. The human mind is so powerful, and your behaviors are led by your thought process. With the right reasons, set to lose weight, aligned with the right mindset, support, and plan, you can succeed. All right, beauty, I'm so excited that you're ready to do this with me. So there are 3 options that meet different budgets and needs. Option number 1, you get to use the app and you have tech support with me. This is for the independent soul, the person who doesn't need a lot of guidance in following a plan. You get your daily exercise and meditation plan with videos and tracking. You get your B.YOU.T.LICIOUS recipe ebook. You get the 20 psychology blocks to weight loss ebook. You have unlimited, let me say that again, unlimited in-app tech support with me as your coach. And you can cancel at any time. This is literally all just for a couple pennies a day to gain back confidence, energy, and a body you feel beauty-licious in. Lady, let me tell you, you are most definitely deserving of investing a couple pennies a day into yourself. Option number 2, this is where you get use of the app plus 12 weekly Zoom group coaching sessions with me. This is for the social sister, the extroverts among us who need other people, who need that energy and the vibe and the accountability from other people. This is where you get the same features as option 1, plus you get those 12 weekly sessions over Zoom with me, and that is where you get your wellness education, that's where you get encouragement, you get that sister power and accountability. And the extra special part is you get prizes for your efforts. Oh yes, honey. And I'm talking necklace, I'm talking earrings, some B.YOU.T.LICIOUS gear. This is all just for a couple dollars a day to gain back your confidence, your energy, and a body that you feel B.YOU.T.LICIOUS in. Like, this is such a crazy steal of a deal. I can't even begin to express to you how much content, how much I'm going to give you and love you up and give you everything that you need to thrive and feel like just gorgeous. Option number 3, oh yes, here we are, number 3. This is where you have use of the app and you get weekly Zoom one-on-one coaching sessions with myself. This is for the wandering warrior. This is the individual who needs a little more one-on-one accountability, a little bit more emotional work, a little bit more help with fine-tuning the process, just some extra loving. Let's just say that. So this is where you get the same features as option 1 again, plus you get those 12 personal weekly Zoom coaching sessions with just me, and that includes, again, wellness education, encouragement, and accountability, but it's on a one-on-one level, so you're going to have way more time to talk and ask questions than you would in the group. All of this is for less than the cost of a Big Mac meal a day. Are you still not sure? Sign up for one of the options and receive 1 week free on me. Use the coupon code 1 week trial in the shopping cart and give it a go. See what you think. Test drive the app, and if you don't want to continue, that's okay. Just cancel. But if you're excited, then let's do this thing. Love, I just want to share with you that I am so passionate about what I have put together for you. This has been years in the making, and I want you to know that I truly care for each and every individual that comes into my tribe. I urge you to click on that link below to get started, because I am so excited to meet you. I'm sending hugs and good vibes your way, and I will see you very soon.